Hello guys, welcome back to the YT University, and in the last video we teach you how to properly manipulate and make use of your transducer or ultrasonic sensor, in other words. And right now it is sensing, but as you can see, it is sensing. Where's that? There we go. It is sensing and it's properly working, but what do we do after the sensor was able to sense certain object? So there must be something that would happen, like if for example a certain thief is at the door, okay, so an alarm would be triggered, okay, so we're gonna make use of the signal and then make something react, like light up this bulb, okay. So or drive a motor or drive something like open the gate, something like that. So there are a lot of things that you can make with the output, okay, or do with the output. It's up to you. So what we do here is actually um, create another variable called lighter R. So to light a light bulb or a something, so which would be on pin number 2. Okay, so pin mode, that would be uh, an output, because after it sends and after it processes the data, it will be an output. So we want the light bulb to light after a certain distance. Okay, so I have it here. Since this variable distance has the value, if distance is less than 15 centimeters, it will uh, light up the diode, and if it is far away, it will off, it will turn it off. So um, there's no problem with the code, we just have to plug it in and try it. Okay, so you just have to make sure that the positive is connected to pin number 2, because that's your um, output, and then uh, the negative one should go here. Alright, so and I have to put it here. Yeah, there you go. And that's the most fulfilling thing you could ever have. Okay, so if it's far away, more than 15 centimeters, it's not gonna light up, but if it's closer, it's gonna light up. Okay, there you go. Okay, yeah. There you go. So why is it like that? Because of the delay. Alright, so if you can refine the delay, it will not trigger. Okay, there you go. So if we move it a little, so you see that this is the boundary. So if you go an inch or an inch of a hair, and then that's not gonna work. There you go. So that's more than 15 centimeters. It says you should consider the dimension of your sensor. Alright, so it's right here. Yeah, it's more than 15 centimeters. It's 20, as you can see. So if it's within 15, like this one, it's gonna light up. Alright, 15, it's starting to, well, yeah. So um, I guess the way it processes the code is it takes time. So I think um, there should be something that you should do with the code to make it work properly, to make it more accurate. But nonetheless, it's working, so that's what we are after. I think that's enough. That's for me. That's fine. So guys, thank you for clicking the subscribe button, hitting the notification bell. Okay, and thank you for visiting the White University today. Bye guys. See you next time.